Hi family, how you doing? I'm on my Coinbase account, Coinbase regular account. As you can see, my portfolio now is here in 1 hour from 27 to 29 within one day from 23 to 29. If you've been watching my videos, you know I believe in farm. I got in farm yesterday when it was right around 190 right here. I've been loading up and this is what happened. It went up that high. I'm going to now scrape about half because I always told you when something goes up more than 50, close to 100% to scrape half. So this is farm. The market cap is 187, so it's still good. Nice market cap. So I'm going to scrape this to the side. So trade, convert to USDC. And the reason why I scrape to the side so that I can see something. So it's 11,000, so I'm gonna scrape 6, but I'm gonna do 7,300. That way 5,000 is left, and each time it goes up to 5,500, I'm going to scrape the 500 each time. I'm scrape the 500 each time. I'm scrape the 500. So I did that. So if we back out, now you should see my USD coin say 7,700. My farm, oh, I took a lot. 7,000, that's 11, yeah, 4,000. So that's cool. So each time it says 4,500, I'm gonna script the 500. So that's what I left of it. Now, my name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, share, and subscribe if you're not. I like coins where the market cap is under 250,000, and there are coins that are, coins that are being utilized. For instance, if I tell you what Harvest Farm is, if we go down, by the way, I think Harvest Farm's going to do close to, when did it hit 400? August 11th. It popped to 400. I'm trying to see when did it do that. It won't let me know. 1 month. So I think it's going to hit 500 by the end of September. So it still has room to grow. Farm is an Ethereum token that powers the Harvest Finance, a yield optimizer that moves funds around the decentralized finance. So let's go to the website so you can see, like I say, the market cap is right under 186,000, million. I think it will get up to 500 million. And so here's farm. The price is 362. I believe the price will eventually get to 600. It could get there. Market cap is 278, which I think the market cap will get to 500 million. And these are everything you can farm. You have 7.5% in there, Curve, Tricurto, Uniswap, USDC. So I'm not gonna teach you how to do it. My students know if they want to find out, I would show them, because you can find this out on your own, or click the link in my bio and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do post a lot of these things on my YouTube channel instead of my other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or things like that. So click on the link in my bio and you'll be the first to and subscribe and ping the bell to know what's going on. These are the deposits, auto harvesting yields, and then it's audited, so that's why it's a great project. It's Peak Shield, Hachi Audit, Surtech, Lease Authority. So it's a great project, very great project. And so there it is. My name is Romeo the Professor. Follow, share, subscribe if you haven't. And again, you can buy this coin on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. And again, my name is Romeo the Professor. Okay. So a day, it went to 355. I think it will bounce back up and go to 400 probably. My name is Romeo. I'm not a financial advisor. Follow, share, subscribe, okay? And ring the bell. Click on the bio on if you're not on my YouTube seeing this, click on the bio and follow me on YouTube. Thank you.